Videos are not only a rich visual medium, but also have a lot of other perks. Videos are snack-sized, memorable, and measurable in nature. That's why so many businesses are leveraging this medium. But video making is quite a daunting and time-consuming task. Did you know? Video makers waste up to 20 hours per week and $1,000+ per month creating videos. Not anymore! Meet Steve.AI, the world's only AI-powered video making tool to create live and animated videos. Now, you can create high-quality videos in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. You will be simply amazed at how much Steve can do for you with its fully automated solution that takes care of scripting, editing, and publishing. So you can just focus on being creative. No prior video editing skills? Don't worry. You can create stunning videos with our AI assistant. How? Here you go. Simply paste the script, blog post, or an audio file. Steve.AI will automatically pick the most relevant assets for you. That's all. For video is done. Good job. Give me a fist bump. Like it? Hit download. Don't like it? Recreate. Still don't like it? Try a different context with the help of keywords. How cool is that? Thousands of content creators and marketers are already using Steve.AI. Guys, was this video made using Steve? Shh. Steve.AI by Animaker. Sign up for a free account now.
Video creation can be difficult. You need a script, a camera, a great voiceover, and an awesome music. So much to do before you create a video. Well, that's not the case anymore. In today's video, we'll see how to make a video in less than a minute with Steve.AI, the only AI tool to create animation and live action videos using text. Come on, let's get started. First, log into your account using your email address and password. Once done, you will be redirected to the home page. On the left side menu, you can find My Videos, Shared Projects, My Workspace, and Exports. Under My Workspace, you can now invite team members to collaborate with different access permissions. On the dashboard, you can choose either live action or animation videos to start with. For each of these formats, you can create videos with script, blog, and voice as inputs. I'll go with live action script to video. You can now select the video ratio to horizontal, vertical, or square. I'll go with square. On the script page, you can either copy-paste your script or auto-generate from an awesome preloaded script library with multiple categories. I'll go with health and yoga tips. Click on the Create Sample Script button. You can now see an auto-generated script that you can edit. You can add or delete more scenes and help the AI with keywords to select the most contextual assets of your video. Next, select the source of assets to free or premium or a mix of both. Here I'm going for all. You can also auto-highlight the important text in your video by checking the auto-highlight checkbox over here. And with the next option, you can generate the machine voiceover and select from multiple English language accents, gender, and voices. Click on Generate Voice. You're done with the script. Click on Next. Now you need to choose a theme for your video. Choose your design style from the various design options available. Let's go with the fifth one. Your awesome video is ready in no time for editing. So let's edit. You can now see your video generated with assets and voiceovers scene-wise. To position the text in your video, simply drag it and position it wherever you want. You can also edit the text. If you wish to trim the video, you can do this with this icon. You will also have the option to use the audio of the original video. To scale the video, use this icon and adjust the video as you like and apply. To swap the videos, simply click on this icon and choose an appropriate keyword from the suggestions, or you can enter your own in the search bar. Our AI engine will provide you with the most relevant suggestions. You can also choose to swap the video with an image or upload your own video or image. If you do not like the scene, you can delete it with this icon. If you don't like the current layout, you can change it with this icon. You can increase or decrease the scene time and sync the voiceover with this icon. You can select from the range of color palettes available, and this will apply to all the scenes and properties. If you have a voiceover for your video and you prefer to remove the text from the videos, you can click on this icon. Hide text from individual scenes or all the scenes with these options. You will have the option to pick from a wide range of music. Click on this icon and choose an appropriate keyword. You can control the volume of the music and voiceovers for a stunning audio experience. You can also upload your own voiceovers or music using the upload button. If you wish to add a new scene, you can duplicate a scene using this icon. You can add an outro to your video using this option. That's all, you're done editing. Click on Publish. To preview the edited video, click on the play button. You can also save this video on your system with the download icon, or you can publish it on any social media platform of your choice. Now, let's look at the option to create a video using blog. You can paste the blog URL and the AI picks the most relevant sentences as a video script for you. With this option, you can choose the length of your video. I'll go with medium. You can also add or remove sentences to the script on the go. Click on Proceed to go to the script page. Go ahead and make the edits you like and publish your video. Sign up now and become the next video superstar with Steve.AI.